We have a new shape to be used with the quilts when we are cutting the split stripe to make it work within the quilt block itself. And this new shape is a pentagon. And it's a shape that our friend Barb Vizdak came up with. Now you see it here. I'm going to show you how it got used a little bit more. This is Barb's new quilt called Night Song, and within each one of the blocks she has the shape that we just showed you plus a little bit of patchwork, and it's the patchwork that makes the star shapes within the block. So how do you cut this pentagon? From your split stripe fabric, the first thing you do is cut stripes that have the motif centered that are 6.5 inches wide, and then you subcut those units into 10 3/4 inch lengths. Now you'll be able to see it better if I do it this way. And you could do this on the front or the back, but since I've got these marks here, I'm going to show you the back of the fabric. From the dark side, or if you wanted it to go the other way, we measured over 1 1/4 inches, and we put a mark right there. And up at the top, the same thing, 1 1/4 inches and a mark. Then it is a 45-degree cut, so I'll put the 45-degree line of the ruler along the edge of the fabric, and you can see this dark line that goes over to the side. At the bottom, it is also a 45-degree cut up there. It will give you a blunted edge here on the side. It doesn't come to a full point. Then back down to the 1 1/4 inch mark, and now we want to do a 45-inch cut that comes out to that dark edge. And similarly at this end, the 45-inch cut from that same mark, lining up the 45 down there. And when that is cut, you get this pentagon shape. Super simple, gives you an interesting shape, and then you build the patchwork for the remaining part of the square.